And it's chairman, Nana. I'm after a while with the wedding como. I was so near around in tea. When him said, "Well, Uchamico, and I'm a friend." Na Nana Kwesi, Nana, I'm afraid yet, Yabutre. It's a commodian na ko we say. Residential part of the building no ena ejano kra no omayi ho asem afri ho how be any hope you. It is the nurses and doctors are ready to attend to you even this morning. So sheno so. Na omo se yem fast da kese ema mu nyina. Na tie me Otiasika Rural Bank bank sonko a ene obia di atum se o pese o bank very well there. Say susu account say your savings minor or adult or fixed depositor Otiasika Rural Bank wo ho na o ya ban adwuma eni na say o per salary advance na say salary loans ye be boa na aye na be fie per bosia bi wo enchen wow adwuma na be say o tremu bosia o de be ye Otiasika de yen hadwen kra microcredit ye mama na ye fekeke afi Western Union e-switch mobile money transfer Ghana Pay MTN mobile ni nyina da ye de ne say wodo ani be kire ye headquarters na pese obedi dwuma na ye bedi nkoma ye okofi ase ye wo manpon adwira sepebo krom abofo macro ye ne historic Adventist hospital di hwani mu nkenkan so ame market na Dr. Mensa Lancer building bo be hu ye wo ho otu ase kan na Rural Bank, your savior in rural banking. Your number is 0504 842 957 0504 842 957. Kengen Energic drinking water. Kengen Energic drinking water. Alkaline water. Also water no say acid content no do so emwa. It's in the Kengen ya said that the farm machine no more. Ebema hydrogen rich in minerals like calcium, magnesium, potassium, iron. I just say ma ho ye den, ema moja no timi yep MPA, ema ahodimba no mpem na utimi nante, utimi say wakuma mo peri. Kangen Energic drinking water. It refreshes your body. Ema wo ni pediana ntwentwom, ema o ye munkotu, afi wonu musuo no so etimi hydrate ma, just say dan no, unye dehydrated so why boho bi asensuo ni umu bi Kengen de eno no bia na wonom so aye antioxidant say eyi fi ni ade nyina nti wobadwo so fi wo nipadua mu nyina go mesrewa emma wo skin wrinkles enti hyeno nso wo yo bia nipadua na atwintwam a hu say obenya Kengen water annum afi a regulative body temperature anti enel why share so ho adwo ni sa ne mani nyina Kengen Energic water ifri ho mesewa ye wo Brema UGC Tafoni Road abawa route nchen ho no junction no so da be hu yen se wo pese wo ton doso po enkwala ne wo fie mpani obi anom Kengen there now your wedding engagement party now pese di bi kwa 0241 449191 se wo pese wo tu ekoton so 0241 449191 and 0507 379474 0507 379474 0507 379474 yeah mama brown check confanochi
awota confanochi laudable adwumadie na yeza ashasi
oh yes
very laudable pa Nyankopon ya doma next year na a dynasty wonom no enya 70 years.
Yeah.
A dino.
It has not seen any major renovation. It's actually a referral
almost 12 regions.
Yes.
Out of 16. Edi omani be hwe konfanoche se emu ya yeji you. Ndi ni yura eye no eyade a obi bia whether wo Ashanti region and I say or any part of the country or say sadi we
when say come pa say o dey mean kamisika no
that kajem say na ye bobo list no
oh ampa
oh yes
what dey obetimenka
I would have mom mfanko
dey mfanko say
oh
me ameko
na maturo din
oh meko me wo in the neighborhood of thousands no mu ho no my plan
mfanko ma o no pay ma
20 ho kono
akuta from mfanko ma o ma no pay ma
ho kono
akuta from mfanko ma o ma ano pay
Adea ba kuno some commercial ko hu sa hene
yes
na me am akoye me donation
na o dey share na
da ko share meko meko
eno dan tempa omo de short code
me short code bia me corner na on mouse short code
na me ka amansan Ghana kuma
masa o dey no ye be ka wase ba me ka me dey o de short code ba be dey sika mi ko me ra ka se sika ketwa apia stadium say sika no kra yi Uni Jane, ba ko dey say Isaac boost na more 5,000 over die in ya dey 5 o si sika we get the fetch wa ka be bo apa
o si yesere mo fi anko na ho ne enko tia no na sika ye the fetch ho no man ke be ne ma be
50 million apia stadium ne ai ko ju o ma ya dey papa o se meko
o man kakra me kan say
ma ya onwie
okay
njakonta me de make akwa wie ne say eye ade papa ye wo se nyina say 1 cedi kura na obenya afako
yes
say 2 cedis afako say 100 cedis asene na ye reka say
sampai ma say
fie sampai to ya 20,000
na say dem sampai kwa mi so mi tua
no say on person about akwa senior
anti niwa we
akwa sembe
we ayi communist inferior taxes
we the old man of 45 mpai
David
communist inferior taxes father we have been here sampai wa apply that okay the boss we just be 50,000 it was no 20
on so 20
o so be no
David
o dey what double na let's challenge no minister me age
minister me age say afuta
na go
na nemu na akwa ye yi se fie bia
MPC no bia donate say
MPC ndi omo ka bom ye no 100,000 ba mu say eyi honorable eyi ofuru krom
the MPC ya say
amuma ayi asante kokos no e de 100,000 be to ase say ombe saba 100,000
central market for so ya de
central market for the almost 50,000
say afa no mo kobo mo kra san
but muntaka nko aso so sabai
o ma 1.2
110,000
110
and asan so nko abai be ma 200,000
and education minister ma 140,000
1.4
na poso so be ma 200,000 2 billion and asan so be ma
because
okay John Kumawai yele bro osudio open so say to the nana nipo ya
yes
come and do your show
hey iti eye the papa na mom ne mesre ne say board of directors
why you insisting on board of directors no say omo hwe na professor Ochrademensa o ma me yese I know what you now anymore man in the
akuta say board of directors na e wo ho e na Ochrademensa kokoto wo mo must know for the past e be about 7 years so say ekeka kode
mostly after every 4 years CEOs bar omo changes
barakunta
maybe they've been there for like 4 years
yes ni minim say current board chairman no ono na e board chairman wo K University ono na e board chairman e wo Komfanoche Middle Belt Authority wo Kumasi or a board member ipa ba akufo no
nana akantana
sa e ono
nana
you say ono na e council chairman wo K ono na e board chairman e wo
Bombata Omanhene
ono aso so sa say Middle Belt Authority board member
and it's allowed you can be a board member for many
this young man Adea we ya all ye no akota se ebo Komfanoche din a edia na ba ye nyina etirim Dr. Nsiansare ni nyina ye ekwan a ofa so manage facility
that's right
epeja facility ne de ko gina ba bi
apaluba anse den huso ena de okoye enso
ai ohene badanso
so
it's obi endowment fund bi
SMP
mo
ba ohene badanso so ye accredit no na sem bi am ko kan ya edimi ko ditch no ema oxygen tank
yes oxygen
plant yes and yente say
oxygen ashot
Komfanoche oxygen ashot
yes
say me kai okay
yeah me kai
kan ya enugba mi ko suspension wo
and you akota ye keep you
no
omo ye
and 3 weeks
and
oxygen tank ama
Komfanoche amene oxygen short
yedimi ye sacrificial lamb and so we at the end of the day and now Komfanoche na wunya oxygen Omanhene oti kai no why
yes akunta
yes I had to take an embarrassment to save Komfanoche
akunta ni adwuma yi
MRI scan na and so mo ye
ɛno so ɔmo
because man fan che no na nneɛma bi a ɛkɔ no mani nye ho ɛme kan
nti no pɛ yɛ kama mpanimfoɔ na te aseɛ sɛ
etwa me anthrax
ma enkoyɛ te sɛ that young man Professor Ochirade Mensa no ɛbɛgye ni monyam bi sɛ asɛ
tu fo ade a ɔyɛ no ɔbɛgye ni monyam wa odi uti ba bɛgye ɔpem so no benya
ɔmo fi sɛ that young man no oba ya fi kura mai ena kunta ye sources kire say revenue akonfo no chinya na every year bia no afi no nu ba bia boy na do adobo no
a oba double no
wa double revenue a sika konfo no chinya na every year bia no
because wa be tia loopholes no eno no ye sofo
mo eno wa say
eno anya sofo say sofo keke ye repute ye one ena wo doctor wo ye no professor eti dia na ade chen no eno atena konfo no chira dia okay university medical school eti dia na ade chen no eno osaso suro nyame eti wonni no adi
ena yesi warin state ade bia na wo konfo no chi omu yifi wo no mo yesi motivation for the workers na hospital na ewo sa no na error ne say
agye from there na konfo no chi sika omo obi ni
so na motivate workers ne fi hono mo nti ma obi ate dai wasaso reinstate sade no ma say be every department of hospital no obi
and he is punishing doctors who are misbehaving too
na kota me motivate na say doctor obi yare na kotwere droma na drone ye 1 cd na aka che ne say 5 cds ya
there are doctors or patients enya issues be Adea won pekura ne sexual harassment no ne sexual assault no na say yes abrante baako or so how word o okodu na abrante ne kuta ne phone no me miaso no din komo and obusa no say pacho me pese me call word hanum na akwara hwele mo for how do her no for her no
wa we nim
say how for how you fetch and the microphone no pom such and nti o pejare o hu na no see me in my office yes so I'm saying why you went there and no so say na sorry ba no say we power chapel ni kwa na misbehave a Adea mensa you say the papa ne kusibu ate o say o so pam wo be pam no I catch the papa di di pam wo ne papa so meti ase this is what we want to see CEOs do which means Adea mensa nche bia oni kwa me frimpom they will be posting profit
that's it
at Confanochi
yes
da bia na mo boka
mo etina me busa me ho say adan na doctors na wo ho no no omo ko bie private hospitals enkete etimi ye adwuma nyamfa so
ko ye lukum
na kakraka na esi wo no no Confanochi wo minim private hospital wo kumase o wa Ashanti
facility share Confanochi na eyire so private yemfa to yi mu fama
Confanochi na ye adwuma boka nti se yenya this young man
na VIP enyeska so say state transport boka STC ni metro transit
metro mass
boka
ba VIP
because I aband there GPR to benyeska
nti akota me de ne me kan say that young man ya complain ya che say e de obi koto aban adwuma no a omo say no omo gu no enti say abrantie no e ba be ma yen an example of ebia good leadership and management
ya say wama yenya ahotoso o maburu mu se enya maburu ni nyina na omutie awu ti amamo nka na maburu emmanuel ti se keti amon se ya yija ya bodu sa adwin bi eni etiri kono no sa papa no trade me this adabe sia no say butiko no adwin bi eni mtina banjeja mabodu se ala papa sadra say keti amon pa. No, but I'm more serious. Adea Mensa, Professor Adea Mensa has shown to everybody, say, this life, as we have always said, Ghana, it's about leadership.
It's about leadership.
It's nothing, no.
Now, why come for noche? But no, it's quarters now. Ufru na uko Samuel. But Daniel na ye. One ko jisi can free hospital who or call private people who no mo ko kasa. And no dey paint down na be as a Sompa.
Look at this. Innovation, initiatives.
One new hospital na ka preko. Say MC year no aba
MC asebu ko judien
asebu ko 20 baako natural
MC penti keke
And it should tell you, sir, contact.
No, we said then a man, Canada, Japan, free her, or share the oil, or so what Tia Branton and one, and they are warrior. Onya 1 year.
Hospital beds or the command.
Oh, yeah, you have be more to wear and a party, a cato, many no massive party chichi, and the man position. Or a complete square peg in round hole. Yeah, Nina D. Or qua, na whole goo, or Bianca, because I had the godfather, godson of Penibi or Patimu. That and I must say, or minus Professor Demensa has shown. You might not like a beer near maybe or so a street or whatever, but at the end of the day, if he's Obi kind, Reverend Obi the kind, say you might not like my process. But you cannot complain about my results. And life is about results.
It's about results.
A choir of us suspending way. At the end of the day, there's discipline at Confanotia. What's it where you will be
and opposite revenue, opposite fast.
Opposite fast.
That's what I say.
What double within a year?
Within a
revenue.
year, I finish what double.
Now we are Juma Confanotia. Now many a rabbiness need be cause. Omanhene. Your cash war bar. Yes, you a cash war bar. Doctors and nurses, they sit up.
Yes.
Because Robert will say, oh no, only we here. And our Juma 9 10
Debbie.
7 o'clock. Canina a doctor some penny for common rounds. And no money now. Now we are penny. Now I tell my matron phone rounds. Everybody is working.
I never talk of more prepare politics, internal politics.
More
and maybe dreamer or be an answer could be 20 facility and no quantity. You may phone be sorry to some company. Yanko Pandaroman, and the Obayano. I made my affair be 25 years anniversary.
25th anniversary.
Sebe, on one name, Dino said you made the bar. Obianin who free. Yamia do man say a new bear next year, bear June, July, audience. You made you know. Nebi bia abewe eto so bia manfo bi o madwene say asisi kan yenye is kan yenye nu bia $10 million na
$10 million uku say
nipa mienu na nipa
1 million bia ye 115 billion so muni mo
$1 million
$1 million 115 billion
this kind of there you know
ya usiyesh
nana
it's 115 by 10
na on my own share
1.1 trillion.
Any yeji.
Nanka.
And this can no baby. Nipa mienu beka say. Omo be ye 1 block each.
Nipa mienu. Obi aso the 1.2 million. And to the I said 2.4 million.
And the other
$2.4 million.
You made your mood so.
Aka say.
Aka emphasis 7 point.
Aka 7.6 billion. $6 million. How does he?
E be year so upon the clinics when you be affect.
E be call you na.
Bia benya so for so ntis ka.
And this monumental project open source 25th anniversary to me we are.
$10 million kwa bro so abetimi aboa ma ne mapi no manya nti yes skenu be bia.
Sunta so mu nyina betimi aboa.
Ba de me
mensia kakra be
kakra be pete wo mo so.
De me kakra ne say dwumadie no. Na sare to so say efie bia.
Ase efie bia bosomi omuntu asai.
Hera nya
bosomi 200 Ghana.
Wo de efie kura 1 cm ha. Utua 200 scanner ebetimi akoni mu. Ma amanfo be nyina no nkosi bone. Say obagiji obi asika bosome da bi sika no kwa nyame ya ado ne nya ne ya na obi asika fa
ai o nya bi onya $10 million on sika ye de na $10 million so de nyame se metua bi me
ye betua bi
me kosa ahine ho
me gidi se
me papa
se fi na kokoko chi for ompanifo be ko
so tim go jame da bia na ko jame de so fa de basa da bi godi machi
me ko tap into your blessings
tap into your blessings
if you na ko man
me se me kwa me fa
ompanifo for short code mo ba tudwa
I'm for short code mbra
ya kan radio stations ahodo nyina so
omo from mbra na omo nya jingle kramra well that's something mbra
yenso so
nyina be bodawro
yenso so ye bodawro ka say ayi fo ko gina ho no
ayi
kuma
brown name
also ne high sense ne wa for
ko ko ba for de ama yewura
to mbekọ
so do omo fa ba bia akogigi sika no a
on fa
yesu se de ho ba for de ama yewura
yesu ye be bodawro
yesu se ye be bodawro
anti asante mawura monana Omanhene asante ebo ane boama enya dawuro se dawuro yiboto ya onye dawuro boa asante ebo mususu mun ko donate
yebe on say Adea no say kwa no
aya nyuma make masa asema make asante ebo a ukwa ko yiska ni bi
meyibi yaw
na kota
yebe yibi
yebe yi no yebe yi
yenu nya na be kwa yie Adea na ba ko nyina yebe wa ko yibi ne de aboa enu monyam se opese enya epese de wo sa ya pese de ho fore enu monyam ni mu
o de ho fore me man
da bi enu monyam na eba no
na kakra yewura akra tene ne se me na no nyame nsira mu da no
ya wie
Saturday ne me nwro e be kwa ko se wo sei me se da we
ya me kwa go ti ade me mata
ebekọ
ya me za ko da kota me tro me bo date na me ya send wardrobe mu ni se bio da no kra mi nwa
ebekọ by Monday to Friday kwa bia na yakọ
ebekọ
nsira we
to be do anu maka che na science o ma mo ntwa manim ho
David
David Para santimai mo mi anya ma ne nye fe
yes
obem so say to abebio santimai ra say ka 25th no enye party opese Confanoche, let's heal Confanoche.
yes
One so kakra. Na ebesre say Professor Adea Mensa as a matter of urgency, moma short code numerantem. Na onye obi a na benye sika akọ bank akotua na obetima commercial. Na immediately na no sika nim flow abrochirefo asanteman enya enkan. Enya Kumasi nko anya Asante region. Koforidua rara jase kan ni emo ewo on ma mu nyina mo som sikadwa no mo ya adehye nananom atankunya mo nyina mo kantre mo nananom sa Asantema wura
okay akonta covenants for the
short code
bobo short code ni say
covenants for amayen o say so Fidelity Bank branch bia o say open heal Confanoche account
Fidelity
Bank bia
we also maybe TS Kama heal Confanoche
and
that's how the own tibro focus say account na dey sa Confanoche ya dey ya ho
enti akota short code no ne star 776 star
776
1955 hash. It's Confanoche yes 1955.
It is star 777 7 years say
782
star 776
star
okay star 776 star 1955 hash.
So a link to the account and I say opese o send it momo no so yeah 0544 1955 25 you can just say
it is expected say
and year 25th anniversary
no much share
number
so I don't pa
0544 1955 25 Momo number no 0544 1955 25 25th anniversary anytime you Confanoche ni akabo it will be 0544 which is the code now
yes
1955 25
so no see
up him so it is 0544 1955 25 and a star 776 star 1955 hash no short code and no
I send the
pictures now we innovated pictures now nefe
I say no I
nefe uze wura ho a unhu se Confanoche se nyame ya no mutimi wi a wura ho a Confanoche na ye hunu se no nyame mo ana dwumedi
my ni komo
mame kitu abi minka kakra fa kan dia
esafo need to makacho say me name safo wo meeting
kwamna wasuma o akuta maya o say next na
me na me say next na
kwamna safo
ale kwamna sro me
oh yeah the quiet type
kwamna jai quiet type say no
ya mumu
kwamna jai quiet type say no
na di be ne beba
edini ye heal Confanoche momo no na ye 0544
edino sene beba
Confanoche heal Confanoche
project
but mama send we no krama menim say imane wo ho a
ima ho say mama no ho fa to so na ade I want to watch me say mama ne eye ban to twen komo apomdin ho asem an ye kai se wo ko hospital na ho nye na wani nya obetim kwa de yare asa kofie na okopie mu wo atonsu ago akiri ho no hospital ho na akọ ba se ne wasiesie ho na konkran na se ne waye ho no ma na wani akakra sa wo ko ye no wo so ra hospital na ho fa 50% of yadi no ground eko mamintio MC
Omanhene Nyankopɔ enhia wo pa ene anopa ide na yede enchia ebe free Dr. Ba aso ye na yede ama yahwefo nyina se Nyankopɔ ya adom na ye betrase asede na oman ka no apomuden de ehia enipa no apomuden besi pi ebesi ta na kyese ewo so unya ba bia eno matosini etochema wode wani be kire ho eno ne Dr. Ba eye Ban Herbal Hospital ani yebo ni din eka kire ho enti ena no pa ubedinka agye number no sede be ya yare ne de be ka ho asem de ya modin bia no ubehu se Dr. Ba de bibidro esa yare enti ubefre na ho so aka yare na waba ne ya saw yare ama won so onipadua no ne ho atoro.
That's right.
Number no eye 0244 988 004 0244 988 004 and it was 0244 08 34 82 0244 08 34
82
Dr. Ba ewo Kumase Atonsu Agogo Government Hospital abande ne kese ne si wono nachi ana Dr. Ba wo yeni inside ye wo nachi ana yenso ye bia hospital no enkran so ye wo bi hospitals 18 junction misrew ehon so obekwa akoto Dr. Ba ewo ho ene anopa yi ye trase se ya na ye bo Dr. Ba ho asem ne ye ka no ho asem a kirewa enye bibia da ne da nyina no Dr. Ba wuti edi a eye ba dompe ba kase ba sasabro ba mechepe ade bia ye friend dompe eye kase mu yare ana eye nkwanhia de nipa kura na se Dr. Pani a ubetimi de aba no ho a wode abibidro a broni adro mframu no a wode besa yare ama yare ne wo dompe ma no kase na se atu a mabiem no eye Dr. Ba na bre bia ye trans se ya no obi be kase adan na dompe ene kase mesrawo ewiase a ye we yare a ne sa eden a enwo na ne sa eden ma enipa da sani eya akwasi broni kura no eye dompe ne kase enti abre bia ya me ka cho se akwasi broni esa dompe ne kase mu yare na enkwa na odedade ahyem na ode represi enu nti se wokwa amanone a ye nkrofo wa abrochire nyina wobete se wofrawo ene de misisi ye me ya o ene de machi kasa ye me ya ene de mikotodwe eye me ya eji enti na nka ye no wofra ya ka kire yen ensu broni aduro a ye aduro no omo no num bia bepem sa abrei yaw na ekoba ya de ni mfiri ho onom ne na ekira be hu se eho ato no ade tia na yaw na sa start aba enu kire se dompe ne kasa mu yare no akwasi broni kwa no ne hwe ye ne den eti se Nyankopon ya adom na se wodi nipa bia bedua asase so na wodi nipa bia bedua Ghana mamu a se ye bibifo ne Ghana fo nyina no ye hwe ne yemra ne ho se de be ya ye dompe ne ye kasa no obetimi asa yare ama ye ne a ye mfa ni agro mesrew fa dompe sem no beda Dr. Ba na Dr. Ba hwew visa bre bia me ka cho se ye nuan mo mgu abrochire no omo fro bia na misisi ye me ya mikotodwo ye me ya senka broni wona adura anka omo mfre yen o wa manone enso wo frɛ yen eno kyerɛ sɛ Nyankopɔn adom na ɔde adom Dr. Ba no yensom ye sɛ de be ya ye dompe ne ye kasa mu yare atete ye no ye behwɛ na ye firi mu na ahotɔ aba etinam no kasa obi anya nkwanhia ama bia ne namu kasa abu obi obobo e footballer da bi obi de ne na be hia ne bia na ne na ne mu abu da bi obi de beka ne bia na ne na mu abu enso obi obi ne be rem popa enso ono ne na na mu eno kye se wo nan na da bi obi nan kan ya no na o kasa ne ya o ya ne kye se yare aba o kasa enti mesew nipa obetimi atu sa yare na se ama wudom penemu abaye dendenden no eye Dr. Ba enti emfa ni agro emfa ni akini na ntra won se wu kotodwa na nse wu kase abra Dr. Ba ho bra ne miamia kase ni ma mpo se na ni mu abu aye de aba to so a wo beto amu afirim abra nyina ne ya ne ye kan kwanhia ye wi ane aba yare ye wo yare awodo ekeke nipa bebre obu a na me ne kase ne kotodwe na etwitwitwi katwi dede bam eye ne ya wo hu de wo ye ne ho de mesrewa ne se wo ha wo kotodwe mu eye Dr. Ba wono ne kuta aban no de aban ne betu kotodwe ne so ama yare bi abo awura mu edi unya no afiri mu afie enti so wo kotodwe mu ebi ya ya kotodwe na chia kakra ama na ye bolo ga ebi abaako so che baako a mesraw ene ya me no kasa hyase na wo chi kotodwe hwe kotodwe ni mienu nyina na hwe se ebi nsoso ye bi abamu a na fe watu anamon no aba Dr. Baso ye na fe ahwe yare bi na abedua mu a na fe ye de aduro ne ahaba no aka no ama kotodwe mu yare na afiri so obi de ye ne sisi ye ne ya mesraw ena me no kasa sisi yare ama ho kyerewa bra Dr. Baho ni ensa yare nyi sisi yare mfiri wo so na fe sisi na ache ano emu ye oye ni nyina no Dr. Banhwew obi de ne spinal cord na chika se mesraw ni nyina na betumi ama nipadua no obubu agu o wo chika se betumi asa nipadua na kra wo chika se betumi ama umu akoa wo chika se betumi ama wo fa ache mesraw abrani nyina ye kan kasa ne ye ka chika se asemo a ni nyina nipa betumi ahwe wo ama operation sembi amam eya haban eye Dr. Ba enti na anopeya me na wo kasei sa wo ha wo chika semu a wo da wo na wo tutu wo yo wo hwe enye ya eye Dr. Ba na wo so wo ba fisa aye bi da ho a ye nkonkofre ensu nyame ye sa wo mesene me nkofum na wo ja aye bi da ho na akofre ensu nyame ya woni na mofum a na kusie ni nyina adwane de wachi bi da no ono na wo so wo de ne ko Dr. Ba na aye no ma won kasemu aye bia ma dansidie ekoso na ye mpedipedi ni begina TV so kira ni sesei ye penipa ono abekofie akoko kache na afo se menya ayaresa eno na Dr. Baba enti dani de nyina omo mu firi buase be nyina ma mi bi bai na ni sisi na na ya yasa na yare amene nipa ebo ni din de bab Dr. Ba ho no adanse ebe ne chesei enti wote wona wo ha ewo sisi wachika se ana ukotodwe ana nipadua ni mu a mesrafo ni kira Dr. Ba ho number no eye
0244 988 004 988 004
dan obi ho an nan mo hwima so na nipadua mu tutu no obi twa ne kon wantwa obi ma ne nan so ema obi ma ne nsa so ema de o ka ne se me nsa yi ana mo meka nche mesrawo eno ma bebira ama wo nsa na yiye ama wo pagade enye no bla Dr. Ba ho na ye hwewo ena me no ka so obi wa ya hye no rubber be ma bi wa ya hye no rubber wodwon so ema mesrawo ni nyina na wanya ni nyina na wuntime nwon so ni nyina no bra na Dr. Ba mo bibiduro betimi ayi rubber na afiri mu ama wo be ma na nya ahoto no atimi adwon so kama eno eye Dr. Bansa no adwuma afa obi ho a wanya diabetes mesrawo diabetes yare ne yade e ba wo so obi de da ne da nyina ne nam 20 ne 28 iko obi se ne diabetes ni sugar ne ma no ma da mesrawo so pese sugar no timi ba no ma ebeduru pepepa mesrawo ni nyina ye Dr. Ba o diabetes no asichire yare no se to betwa amwanya afa ahudi a bla Dr. Ba ho ena me no ka se obi anya stroke yare ne ha na etete na eno so de ya ne ya ka che on se o ma mi bi unua bi anya stroke a ni nyina no oba Dr. Ba ho a ye behwe ama stroke na firi so ama nso anya afa hodi ena me no ka se obi anya adwenim hawo edam abu obi so obi ho a wanom tampi bi amenne nani so aye hyehye adane dam abetra ne so Dr. Ba zi unua bi abodam o ma mi bi abodam e bi o kasa fa ne bra enya adura de be ma wa be yesen Dr. Ba aduro ye de ma wa o me yesen na afa wuntimi nya adwuma ye de no bi ma wa be hu so wa ye jijiriji afa wuntimi hwewe na kwabra ne yare aye na funu nyina so aye akakraka na nim nyina honho no enya sa aduro ni bia Dr. Ba de na bodam aduro ne ma na wono mu a ene ya obetimi akoye adwuma uni padua no so ba ye kama enti se onua bi abodam a bra Dr. Ba ho ne hwe ne yare e bia na nsanum bi e bia na wi bi no onom emmoa no pesu ogyae a wo ba Dr. Ba a wo wa haban ya ode be ma na ade ne krote ne pampan a onko ho biem mesrafo ani kire ho ena me no ka se obi anya ulcer no tete no ulcer bi e wodi e wo wiase bia no Dr. Ba ho aduro de be hwe ama ulcer na firi wo so etitu anamon na fa ulcer ne bra Dr. Ba ho obi de ye pressure obi de mojabrosho obi de chese yare awodo ha nipa bebere mesrawo o pressure na ete wo so no ebetimi akofa yare foforo e de abedan enti mesrafo ani kire Dr. Ba ho ye de kasa ni nyina ba wieye se wani na ye o ya ete na esi wani so a bra na Dr. Ba hwe oni emfa ahaba ni binkan akora wontimi nante bra Dr. Ba ho je number no na fe kasa na ye de ba wieye na de kan ye de anka no wafa no aba Dr. Ba so eni ahwe number no eye
0244
988
004
0244
988
004 and it was 0244
0244
08
08
34
34
82
82.
Me pacho Dr. Bao Kumasi Atonsu Ago. Government Hospital kese ne nachi ane yewo. Enkranso yewobi Hospinters Road 18 Junction. Anopai Dr. Transi wo Kumasi. Fayale ni nyina abra no pe beda Dr. Ba ne afia haba na Nyankopɔ de adom no no. Etu ase ma na uwie na wo kwa. De nipa bebre pete ne fie. Aye ba. Anopai obai de tiefo e ya nyina.
Yeah, one be dear dance here. And Kababa, two betima no sasso aquajuma. Na Colina Daniel Ba Mistini Apidan Kubenyabi 0546 107 107. It does so pono friend 0546 107 107. Bex and Pit Foundation. Joy to Widows and Orphans 23. Christmas on the streets. Adea Omudi said Jume on the 23rd of December. Ewo X5 Plus. Crofum Kumasi. Na almost say Mofrani Ekrafo no moto party ama womo. It is all one tade one pabwa or baby foods, babies in Niema, or appliances, or nkonya, or sikanso abetimi de aboa, and Diania and say obetimi de aboa. Writing supplies, books, textbooks, pens, no sanya many no. Obetimi mom will be sanitary kits, and in the Akanyina 23rd December 2023 X5 and Omudi Jumain. Over the Momo number at 0558 769 673. For Vibibu and Omo to party baum 0558 769 673 and a 0549 249 248 0549 249 248. Omo bank account no so 70110 115768 Sunyane. Na send nyane say Obetima Frew almost so 0207 521 203 027 521 203. Mami kwa Omanu Sudam the Honorable Kennedy can come entertain and come on. Honorable Mimoachiano pay. Now poem to say
I don't know if I want to be here.
and obadi asi. And no pioneer lawyer modate to train come. The Kasemuno say Kennedy has his own vision. He's bringing a new breed. Thanksgiving, you know. The Kasemuno say 20 in the next 3-4 years there will be another showdown. A bit more taken with a pinch of salt. A bit more so say there be Vice President Akushiana Nakasa de. Utia modate in Kobo ya often say.
You mean I can say. It's quite unfortunate. But answer number course on the match for the match era of him so name penny for multi. It is quite unfortunate, say a nanopa and commodino a cosa. On the political party here, see no a forces and you pulling it together. And area ba, the champion one common vision and mission. In the achieve we are, then we see how best we can govern the country. The ultimate aim of every political party. And he said, "Obey, we need power." Political party be as a coalition when we need power. Won't achieve your political aim. So, 3 years to come, no, a year somewhere 2026. The election 2024, yeah. The next election will be election 2028. And I sir.
That's right.
Can I just say? So you will be a why you say wouldn't name Dr. Bahomia be a president as MPP beat me a bricky eater. Now your calculation. You should know that your calculation should be somewhere around 2027 and even 2028. And the BS MPP cracker say, obey nomination or be a nomination, but because party constitution. So, constitution is that when the party is in power, your time one, you be a nomination, near corporate akonya.
That's right.
Party new opposition, so your time you be a nomination, a man corporate akonya. Say any ordinary person, a kasaya, nankan hame. Say a lawyer who is following the party, who knows the constitution of the party, and as who have the ability to read the constitution of the party and interpret it and know the spirit and letter of it.
Okay.
Say Omanhene. Say Kadana Kufuado now would say President Kufuor Kono. You beat me lose power. Nanka campaign we the 2006, 2007 no. Ebiankoma nyanesa. One was say Drew baby no. The whole government machinery was being attacked during President Kufuor time. So Kaya.
That's right.
Omu party ni mo attack President Kufuor almost every minister no mu bas rising Kufuor party ni mo ana Adea Akye ne question nse babufo ni so ba it took him more than 8 getting to 10 years and then Obaba MPP Obaba Ghana president too. Because that time when the Nakufu I don't know the oppositions leaders and then Obaba be president I said the 8 years account no also why you so 16 years 16 years. So 16 years na Nakufu the issue the be president or the opposition leader no be president nanka ya anka president mienu ananka abako nkenin nanka de toso miensa nanka ye be yino oni za
okay
anka de toso miensa na ya be yino tiga danka president bi aka Nakufu da
hello
so nanka the third person after Nakufu ananka obai and so hwe the 16 years yes say no be say party ni nyina ya to ba wie oman nyina to ba wie mesere party fo nyina obi a wotie ni nyina ne say my focus and quite a fast way break 18 so. Yeah, we Saturday no, I was in Accra myself. You've been a very report to chair, and I'm in a platform, no to me only a call, yeah. To Japan, and then I didn't know Dr. Uswe Friakoto, Omuna, Bia, come at the coy. I didn't see Anna a Chirino, your person.
Let's see, Mohon said, Adea Kennedy Nebonyo yana. Hello. Honorable Jinaye Mami. Okay. Now, Usha TV no so. You better say bet me there. There's a new political force in the offing. But say billboard say check Ghana hu nyina ahia. And I do obi mfoni ni. And I say Emma Adea na yede chire yeti no. Leadership for the next generation, the new force. You want the young Toma, you want the Afra Kente. Na, me dem ni pakroba, me dem ni so uni ne dia. Hello, good morning, honorable. Welcome back.
Yo, mine.
Me busa say. And somehow, amodate beka the official mouthpiece of Honorable Kennedy, no. Can we say ne bonyo ya na?
Well, me ankasa na America no se be me nte in Japan ano asem. Me that's no na me the SF's office na yi ni showdown ayi na oye no. And no nye full video, so I can't talk about it. But at the time America nyina say people should learn how to be a good losers. Omanhene, the India makers are no se me makọ election my reader. Okay, say me lose member. Ewo eye constituency and weird circumstances here. I don't know, the scene, the back scene, and now all lifty view that you see what really happened. Those of you who are political pundits, and who said this here. Upon that thing, but the interest of the party, you know, the following day, Namit will reduce station or move at the more. Okay, I'm about when I was say, hey, I know what to be now could do a better answer, but I say yes. Yes, I could feel more boom to champion this one. We were at the end of the papa. Omanhene.
Huh?
And so, yeah, and you say, yeah, how you know, young Cassie, a problem, yeah, and yeah, man, yeah, force one, your party. Now, those who have benefited from this party during the Nakufadu's time immensely. Ocean Crophobia is a monkey kind route here, as if for my MP back or just near my monkey cannon as if for no. All these people were ministers and deputy ministers of the party. Mu wie ya mu je bibia enjoy party na enjoy fame no de anya mo bibia mo yesa mu gina hwa ya di papa bi de baba mo ya da mamo. Mu wie ya mo sorry na mo say party no. Some of you when we were forming the party crowd, you were not anywhere to be found. Yeah, party adwuma free and collaborate my open college adwuma nyina. Mo nyina na mo cheche office akese mo ye adwuma na mo ko school. Now you bear one kofa party adwuma na ye party ni beduru say na party no, ya build the party adwuma say ya. Because of your selfish interests, you know, you just come out and you say anything like that. And it seems nobody is also talking to them. And to my name, they must be honest and yes, you know me when I'm very passionate about the new patriotic party. Wow. Look at a money and you perform. Yeah, trust you put to party on its feet. Yes, struggle say party no, you did go baby said the co. More benefit your party no beyond reasonable doubt. No. Mo woman na my adwene say mo pa ba be party adwuma. E dia election na MPP anya no na no me dey buy. A very free, fair, incident-free, nothing happened across the whole country. 35,000 polling stations are yet to happen in Ghana. 278 polling stations yet to happen in Ghana. But PI very calm. Still, it seems that people are not satisfied. Now, who say party no? Who told you say party is a year? E be do 2028, you know. Now who party abako jina so? MPP who guys you go no? MPP egunu ya capital ajete mu no ya dopele go form to gu MPP enka foko ni ko blanja po mu to ko gu MPP ti mesere obi bia se yenya agotre won say ye ko yinu nyina election won say na menkasa but this time no it has come to a point that we don't have any contest, so everybody should fall in line. Who feels so fall in line who feels so fall in line leave na emu ya no do de enwe ko about so e build it up to the party. We mean contest. So if I'm talking about the party, I talk about it as a party man who is see how can I start to read the company for my party anymore. I'm one of them. Until wow be no brane be ya de no wonya. Let us see. Now what you want, now what can some you say? Papa the flag bearer, the leader of the party no was taking so many steps. All quarters obey healing wounds. People are down there. Omudiane say ebegu emu ebesa ye nsai. Na de me yam say omu benefit from the party no omu say yes I know man. Mo de mo ni ma mo ko history mo. Omu de omani CMPP say so mo go CMPP nyina no. Bisa be omu bra ko si omu. Ko hwehwe san nkofo no a omu omu adwene say omu be say party omu be bomb man kamfo no. Ko from Pelenko for time in 1999. Branana Kufu the time in 2007 2008 mo hwe san krofo no mo yes attempt nyina say o beto won free party no makoyo mu nyoma no ma ye no ma nyina no hwe o ma wie ye ne hwe de o ma bra about the party ni yo mo MPP e bosom te say the asante e bosom no MPP if you don't know e bosom say ni tunusum ta wachi a o mo du ba say ni tunusum free mu a oje ya all right it is over your party adwuma na mo me nyina ye nkamom ye nya party adwuma no we nya obi campaign na me ye the campaign is over. What I'm interested is to make sure the party forms. Baby, even a week old, the signs are there. Say, baby, we are winning. We don't know. People don't know. What do you understand? What you are brought best and I say, I know you are about me. Officer who be doing one be.
Okay.
Why my uncle and uncle? I'll bet you
what to be Chandru?
You support Baumia for Baumia to finish this before you can also come, because this now no, the spirit of the party is in the hands of the Baumia now, and everybody should follow it and fall in line.
Thank you very much, Otumfo Sasamo Sompa Hene, and Opemi Dasi.
Mr. Dasi Omanhene.
Okay, fire on the mountains. Okay, Yaw. Now, Brema India Nesiwo.
Akuta Game Boy bi na Adea Akye Saturday no. Yes say boys bi akwako kuno ya. Na akunta video no ne pictures na no odene but edika nje say ye ma ye tifo. Yes say friend Akwasi Budo.
Akwasi Budo.
Akwasi Budo.
Wa na.
Or more but as all form.
All form.
So on figure.
Nisikana na amana yebudo.
Nisika na amana yebudo na yese oti area bi e friend say Kronom Utumfo na Tigo close if you very close to Tigo Junction honom na one to your Game Boy si onu ni
Akwasi Budo
ni Akwasi Budo ni nti baby a omuku no eno so so be ba kwenta omo chekere ne nan ne nsa eno mututu nani.
Hey,
yes omututu nani yes tutu live egu ne nsa eni ano odene but I will say dey kire ye chief for ni arefo asem na ye ka ho asem no ye fe na kwasi budu
obetimi ablɛ nani no kakra nanka
omu tutu nani egu ne nsem live ansa na omu ku no tutu no to mu ye na omu fa yes enie omu de acid susu gu no ho nti so ahwa omu kyekere ne nsa ono ane dem ɛna omu ye ne sa ɛna omu ye no ne Range Rover na si ho no omu tu de kɔ no omu fa ne laptop na ne ma kyerɛ sɛ ohun sɛ na ne car na itu na office bia ne ba no
ɛna
otu car no no yin sɛ ye na omu ba be ne ba no ɛwɔ fie ho no ɛno no na utietie nchemu na omo se one boys ya game boys yo no omo saka wane ma omo ye omo aye deal
ɛna otu omo
broni bi na sika na beton account mu be 1.2 million edikan ba beton account mu
what is 12 billion
1.2 billion na say 120,000 Ghana cedis 1.2 billion
now ana
aba beton account mu also yi na one boys ne che so no na tena so who say according to boys no opeso twe ni other boys no edi
no so be mafia
no no nti eno ne esi ade eche Saturday no nti Friday anajo a ade eche Saturday no sa arawuti nanim na omo tutu nani egu ne nsam ansana omo
boys it more deal
afa na yi
to tu obi ani gu ni
say Saturday aboma etesi kumasi apa omo ya na omo nkrofo ni bi akum nipa no omukunu ya yehu dia police for be ya fa ho ebi si wo central so be bi
na so for la interchange na so small boy bi not in the Benz mu
asumadu
yes omukokun no saa no so no omo
saa no omo so ani bresa adom yesika ni bresa
omo me ka say we police
we all know obi akoye dealer who twi na di say
omo ye me dia we twindie ni nyina ne say ye wo emra wo manyimu untimi mfa emra nhyɛ wo nsem enkum ni pa say makunu
that's how we dey omo nim say omo dey criminals and the police come the people at Bremen omo ni akwasibudo no omo na eche say boys bi otwi omo di no don't they know the boys they know them
omo ho dey omo behu boys kro no omo koye sa deal no a omo fi sa say watwi omo edi no omo behu
dey akoso no eya yeah na obi dey na here
chala ade na no attend no this thing should stop
eni kwan say otum kokun nua ntimi dey make cancer positive baby e fa say nipa nkwan wo je firi nsem dey o ma ye ntimi nsoso dey club any other means abetima afada ji usika e say ya nse sika no betima e ba am betima sa akwa yi
that is as can say dan account to so man dey be ye
o boys no
and akonta enche mo na say 1.2 billion na edika ba no eno no ye ni edika scan ba interest
IMF loan
mo ara ho sabra mo sre no
akonta IMF bailout
we say 600 dey ama o Omantima miti.
Miti condition but here there I
Omantima miti.
What has that there?
Budget 600 million about the so asno. Answer budget no say ntimi.
Budget no say here in 10 pa. Budget no.
Me say one say budget ntimi mpie.
As that there.
Because 600 million na.
Oh yeah, deputy finance minister.
600 million na ebe show budget no I think can say.
Oh yeah, deputy finance minister.
But they be happy.
Oh yes. You bet me we are deputy finance minister edi akota we ye araho samo a yate de free kronom yesi free area ho no kronom otumfo yesi free ho no kronom otumfo enti we ye araho samo a yate nti ye follow up kakra
am say game life na jayo
first tranche ne ba ya boys no otena so na boys no akwa finish ne sa
okay
500,000 Ghana cedis 5 billion and
so have you seen the new political force in town?
So Mati party.
Yeah, there will be funny mofa into so. It's all over. Patrol Dini what them name said the new force leadership for the next generation. Eti I don't know na crying a chabe bia. Just a Kumasi ahunu bebia uwa nipa na nche bi obeyi nanim na Ghana fu agoro so mampani no obepo sede no obepo Ghana for mo behu there's a new leadership for the next generation the new force is coming ebi mo bodin but me de minimu nie eduru honoma ye de be che wo fe Now what to say?
Adum Glacy.
The body I see. And you be getting.
My name is Adum Bokona.
Cause something.
I deal with me who are not me say be a ja. Obi na me who na de buy. Na say
it's a new force, a new generation. Be a oba be deal my gun and
mask and we are
unveiling mask no one any
unveiling in terms
of any try ube hu pa
because me who I am say skeleton maybe some say they didn't tell me how many boss am say Ghana so no me
and near my so papa what for any come
ayo
Grace give it
heba crenete and Bobby Tree Services
that's ramete
yaba na any say enne no me hu se wiemu asesa wiemu asesa pa nkanka na ene kura na biribi ayi biribi nka ye ko penima bosome mu epekesi ebesi enframa bi ebe fifa emu wese esa anu a na eja popun ene yade hoduo bebiri na atoa tese enipa so ye ya meka sai kura ene namu popun no asode pa be hunu bi a wase na mafo kasa wase manya kodu nso kura kire senka wo ho ayenyu no enso we di wo mka sa akura na kire so yade ne ho ayehe so wo hunu wanya kodu no won wansi no ote so na maje dia enso den ho agim na poso nyina ye hojo mi ameka sai kura no ebi bo me den ya ye ni pedie wo ye den wo be yade enti enne eye kodu anase maje aduro no mechire pa ma mo de ahwe mo ho yade esan se ba ebunu yade anase maje ano a Glace gefete ehunu se yade kuma bi nti eba yenta anka ho asem kura nso se tete nkrofo pa na anu mi hia obi no se na den na ya na maje ho asem de mo nka esan se Ghana ha eno ne yade a edi mu akotune pa atiatisi na oduruburu ni kuromu kura ade a saa yade no kwasi buru ni suro no kokokokokokoko wagene ho chim kukuma se kuno enti me kire mu magedi aduru na emire ya ye wura mu mo de abom ho ban na mo de monye no mese no Glace gefete no mese na mo mfre dokuta Glace bu adu a okoye waba na sese wo di dwuma so ye wura buru nyamu de na ni bidi abede no obekwa no pe tutututu no te ho ya oji ayarehwe monye no noma ante so fire wase ya me kasa baby enkunu se no mese no amebobo no se ho no no so odidi ni bedi ye ante so fire wo achena kurum ayo selo 54 tele
0543
tele 2
32
selo
00
tele selo
30
selo 54 tele
0543
tele 2
32
selo
00
tele selo
30
ana selo 244
0244
126
126
12 tele
123
selo 244
0244
126
126
12 tele
123
enti sa adu Boakye na be so
yes I
sa wo wunim nwe onwe
onwe ye just onwe
that's what I mean
so me try de wo hoda
de ana me so
koye national service on am try de
nyini pa
HS1 nam try
wo mo kai me pa sana me ku ayi asode enam tete ho som no emu ana na ewo ntimi nyini ansa na me ku asode na me ku asode no asode di nka ye wuroman ya momasu Pentecost onwe Pentecost ehọ na
onwe Pentecost me papa na ti yo
ono no ebo omesu
me papa
eda edubu achi
eda edubu achi na ebo wesu
ono ebo omesu
me papa ono ti onwe Pentecost ono bo
ono bo ni ye mpanimfo me enan ene ede ko asu tinimu ko bo yesu na ye bo yesu fiada kwasi ada wo ba wa beje wosubo krata o mensi hobiem aka ho no de ewu na me mfa ne krasi se mote ne nka homa che se o Kenya mesemu a eyemogem na onwe ho no kuro bi wo nchen ho ayefra na chena kurum nansan papu bo me enipa wo ye dem wo be yade na ya na eso osafo nsa no se Dr. Grace ho dodo no a no afre se mon kan kire Dr. Prince na Dr. fo no ba ko woni ho ade wo ho no so wo behwe me na am se na se wo nu de wo ne o se da bi ofa so wo Dr. ni na so wo yade a enhwe wo ho
na Dr.
fo nhwe wo ho no anhwa wo be hwe ho aboro so so ho enti mo no mra no anam se yo enti papu bo me no anam se ye de me nko glace gifete esanse na me ko sa ape ana ma me bia me ne ko hia yi ase ye frɛ no ante so fire ofira kye na kurum o wonta entafo ma me ana ma me se me ne di nkomo no se ono so odi dwuma so pa wa bibiduro mu a me nim no na duru a wode ma me na me kyera manfo yi se mire ya ye wura mu papu no beba ewie mu besesa o wa no hwinim na obo wa na magedi ade no ho agegim se ba ne saa me sraw e Grace Gefete we die de chefiri bonto kope bo fra hahan a awo bo fra na hahan na awo no bo fra ne brofo din de kopo abrofo ntafo ne bi nso fra no kanika papa yaw kope na hahan a awo na fe nkwada bode endi ahahan ne nya di awo kwada bode bo magu achi anna esra no a puto kasa mo fra no the lemon glass
lemon grass
majedi eduru kase pa na onya hahan nan yi a bo fra wa haban bo magu achi kwada
bode na lemon grass
asra no
na de gufium
gukukum no sijaso noa hai majedi eduru bia ni baabia
this gift just a much real simple grand
ye no ante so fire owo nta na de ma me akena kurum na me se me nnom na no pa anwumere na de kyen so no ya amate esi kenken na me se mo oburu osafo nsa no obi foforo asam yade mani age na oba Grace Gefete a obi wa akwadworo me kan nyina no on tumi nkongura mu nko ahahan no kro onim no so ahuno onim ahahan no jobam ho no a de nani ede ne chance yi a apomodin panifo de setampo asi so pan enti wo hwim sukun kwantana so ho ba de kase kwan yesu a wo hwim sukun Johnson uduru ho busa Grace Gefete na bo wura ho a ene wona nkongura mu kotete adokotafo no be firiw ye de niam sisi so ahwehwe mo jam sai no kore sai majedi ayade no aboa na bi wo mu ampa na fi yama onoro eno so ukono no mo ya ona wo sene no enti mamen fama adwubikiti na onkyere ye kyera kwan eni nia yetumi yedi enti a ye kasa bra no
okay adwubi yanko
yo Omanhene me da sepanya me onhira me dofo pa wo hwe me anaso so wotie me ena no pay malaria fever ho asem ena ye kano na Omanhene obi wo ho no ma wo ya wo se media ntontom ka me a na manye malaria fever da bi nya sa nete malaria fever na se malaria parasite no wo mo kawa 7 to 14 days sometimes 7 to 30 days and sana parasite mo no asha asese omo yi omo okaw say na wo your friends say between 7 to 30 and as 14 days na malaria until the area no be kan ato amo hu say wo ho ma na sa wodo wo ho ana so ani suchinu wo ho ana onum ye onyonyo na wo hunam ye obasabasabasa wo ho asebe na sa wo ye maka kakra na ajai we nyina ya ahyenso de na ahosu a eda e kire se malaria fever ena ebo kokoko wa kwa no eno na me kirechiremu obi nso ho ma wo ho abo se sebe na se ohunimu nyina asisi na wo minimu eya ohene na se ewa bobi eba ni ade ni nyina ka ho between 7 to 14 days and 30 days no any your friend say incubation period ne ka say incubation period a enu ye time a yemfa nsa oba afafro from day 1 up to 9 months na ode bewo no eye incubation period a wodi siesie wo no maduro no odidi se be ya abofra ne beba no no aye kama enti wo entontom ne ka wo na one so wo incubation period a between 7 to 14 and I said 30 days malaria fever ne be sha say yi ne ho no parasite no wo mo so de prepare mo de enyini wo wo system num enti wo say from 7 days no bo an immune system no ano omre nti 7 days na na normal ahase yi no ho obo ho asebe efie ne ade etimi kura o ma wo ye anemia anasa o ye anemic wo hu emoja nyina etimi we entontom no wo mo kawa wo mo atwu moja wo mo ye piercing and sucking insects into wo mo twu moja na the possibility say wonya malaria fever moja so betina na so moja nyina be we na ye high enti obi nya malaria fever bia no tem bia obe check ne blood na ne blood no wo fom enti eno ne eto nsa afra wo se sa shansude we anasa hosuo we daddy na se wuntimi nya ho hweafo ni kire Grace Gift Herbal Clinic Laboratory Services asoe ya ewo Oshim School Junction Barakese kwanso ena nkran pumpuni mantam nso ye wo New Achimota Petroleum Bungalow ye ne Family Life International School no ena edi nhwe ni mu enti mesro ye to nsafro malaria na etete wo no enti die mo na aba o moja mu na wo ye ohhwe enye no obo ha be check no na malaria fever no parasite no na ye plus no on na bed ye wo ho eno de na se what tradu de wo hwe ache se at the point of death wo say nipa no fa wo de hye ne bra na wa mu kura abomoden na bra Oshim School Junction na ba e be boa mesro frɛ na wo ne ye ntwetwe nkomo we de say de ye maame no wofa bo numbers na ye ne de ntimem wofa na ankasa boy say
ye bo numbers na
wotie wofa power Sompa ha
ayo mesre me bo numbers na makoi mesre wo a muntie we na mo hwe no nso say duro na ma kire no say wo no no mo a ubenya anka bubuje ne je ne nso wonno a eno de mennom na mu mfapunu wonnom bo magu achi esre bo fra hahan awo ene nkwada bo de no na wannoa ni mutiri eno de fapunu ebe kosisi ya ayo no Achimota Petroleum ye ne Family Life kwada sukuu no ene hwe ne mu e won kraman mu Salo 54 tele
0543
tele 2
32
Salo
00
tele
30
Salo 54 tele
0543
tele 2
32
Salo
00
tele
30
Ana Salo 246
0246
518
518
Salo tele
003
Salo 246
0246
518
518
Salo tele
003
Ante Sofia so ho ato
okay all right madam was say na for any check Grace Gift Oshim Kwantanano so anase modern say New Achimota Petroleum Francis wa high in betche in komo and then nipa no video ma woda Mr. Wa Tony Sack Electronics property electronics na eso ya sene na omo the chest freezer, deep freezers, microwave oven, blenders, washing machines, air conditioners are Wi-Fi, inverter. Entry so ebo adwuma ye pa no 1.5 2.0 2.5 horsepower say open property electronics are furniture Tony Sack na obehuyen ewo adum new Melcom ye ndi hwa ni mo ben pick and pay sanso na Wesley Methodist usane a SD Karam Quantin pomo adan ni mo ano obehuyen ena ye wo sphincters ye wo depo kese sanso so ena sunyane cocoa board runabout ye ne a terminal no maybe a faka o car no edin hwani mu for 0500309309 0500309309 and there Gloria Asankoma of Aputoja o birthday Gloria Asankoma asumadu da kwaso asioma otrinkwa Shelly Ohine Adontain just love from asumadu dakwa Stephanie Boatima Boadu of Geniac Divine School. Today is your birthday. To my wife Abigail Amankwa from Eric Osei Akoto. Peter J. Belfi of Kufia J. Senior School and there Yawawuda from your brother Kwame Ananieche and Princess Duncan, Deputy CEO of Koa Research and Manufacturing Company Limited. Princess Duncan. Okay. Happy birthday to Prince AJ Johnson of Brekum and Abrewa nan abrewa nana kwabena tawia tikese River FM. Abrewa nana kwabena tawia tikese River FM. Today is your birthday. Francis, akwaba now what to saying. This week the former president Infano Nam Commission share probably last week and your bar on the TUC. Now if you all baby kwana na enyamai.
Yeah, for now enyamai.
Enyamai.
The indication is that Obeko all the 16
regions no.
That is Busumiwe.
Busumiwe ma Obeto all those regions no. 16 regions no. Near my stakeholders interactions.
Town hall meeting.
Oh, okay. Okay.
What shall I say what TUC? It's all T.
And a 24-hour job no.
Yeah. Any ministers are obeti sushim abafo. Any ministries are
obekabi abo.
Exactly. Yeah, it should tell you that the man is their main business. We want to put the economy
back into its shape.
Because you are the Ministry of Railways, Ministry of Transport, Ministry of Aviation. You come here and send in a more audit minister and then the 2 deputies. That's what I say.
Okay.
Minister Bako and then the 2 deputies.
Okay.
And this our ministries in here, you come musica boom times 12 months. Not that times 4 years. Okay. So interesting. A view. Also, ministers now. You also may buy me a minute before bar. We are Juma. So Juma around 2 4 months. Exactly. And DSTV and ATR. Between. And I want to know.
Into our meeting.
Yeah, DSTV ministers. Yeah, Tom or between. Why a minister go to DSTV?
Why go to our dear?
Fuel. Why better idea? And I say.
Ministers better fuel.
Oh yeah.
Electricity.
Now
BBA yes and near Manoa. Emma Sikan we do this animal.
Yabema solar a part of the system.
Until now the wire solar throughout all the ministries.
Exactly. Yeah. Solar
which is readily available.
Until Ocaso obey a toa tax now Emma solar board.
Obey free.
So send a bear the born bear for. Send a bear and correct because between you and I say solar war for it is better
so obey solar for the next 40 years.
Mammy, we are a Kumasi for mobile in Nano, Edwin Dancy, hotel I had the Ronald, hotel I had die. Yaw. Man only say or a Ghanaian businessman or Cusco, Switzerland, Cusia solar once.
The hotel
home solar.
Only ECG need case.
Any problem, Pia.
Solar so they free.
Free, and no idea, we are.
And we also they fanaqua.
A bugusa, a fine free. And among many others, Sanima wing HSA.
Oh, but media, this electricity, water, telephone, DSTV, glasses, crowd. Oh, the Jumano, I was every year changing out 2 years, nay, laptop, a better time now.
Entertainment. So good for you. The stock you're free.
Then, and then Nipa about Chenkran, a year Sunday man say, oh, my parents, your mama's will be Tremor.
Wardrobe,
is it not going to be a lip service?
How can this
to win power?
What on say, Yaw? My penny Mahama want to say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Or Shabba wouldn't so. Women, these are things, and I say opposition, another one. MPs of Mokwina, say MPs to fuel a mom.
They buy their fuel.
They buy their own fuel. Yeah. And this all MP now to me to I know a minister.
I'm a minister on to me to. And our ministers no be brace so crass so SIMPs 51%.
Exactly. And so why would you see to fuel? You regulate your driver.
Okay.
And then somebody buy cars and none of my years in this 77 someone who here more than none. But so why would Tosika and at only Munima it even makes you aware of how the economy is going.
Yeah, because you feel it in your pocket.
You feel it in your pocket.
To take a decision.
You see come our driver, Sako to fuel. Who got to fuel no? That's a driver no. And him say, Safo way there. Mamu ko tell me boss me benya trouble. O misuse fuel no. But when the minister no ho, na driver na ko transport officer. Na dia ko si fuel pump na ebu agum regional officer bo okra KM ho no e wana ebu fuel reverend sorry na otu okobu agum minister no onim but within a week so also use 1,000 Ghana that's a week now so you account to your boss and mono akasa so ehu the state of the economy and if for say yetum a wonim say maza for no yetum. But I
know it is possible, but will he do it?
He will do it. This is not a lip service. But what does it take to instruct your minister? Say, Obi Anthony for President next time. You can say changing all the V8 into green number. Yeah. And they say Abaka Aqua. They say Agromintel. Abaka Aqua. Green color na he. Red. I want say diplomatic call.
Green out him say.
What him say green. What him say.
So I'm for miss you cars no weekends.
Secondary school become who ye green. And na jube 10 o'clock on in stadium. It's also a packet cano. And yeah, wait, this cannot be a lip service.
And the 24-hour work now, yeah. People have raised concerns.
Sure.
1, security wise. 2, transport system, because there's not a government transport system. Workers ever cook a jumre bit me cut or more like that. They're to be security wise and na jo adwuma 3 adwuma no wo ho say ye back of Freddy pa na say ye pa adwuma ma nipa no ye mo mo gosumu say adwuma na nipa na kwotena anwumre from 6 or 5 to the next morning virtually productivity is nil so ye fa na adwuma nti people have raised that concern and even when it comes to that the wage bill it means it's going to double. Can the government afford?
Yes, I know. A man for you more kuma. You saw Kumasia. LL ne eyimu. So me na
AG Timbers. You come on and call evening. Omo ye juma.
And the security cost has been raised. No.
Na sika edi tua omo kale.
Na so ye juma na jo a. You should be able to pay the tax. A juma na we na ejije etwa. We will pay you back. As a matter of fact, me can make say as an individual, o ma me so me ha krampo say me manage swame constituency ya kakra ya
for morning and
the number of kebab joints are e wo swame ha na dwome me ankrakra as individual metimi achiche what you about fried rice awudi anadwo no
indomie
taxes and out you mentioned them
ebrentia
so I'm just telling you something say me what's the constituency what's it
dokono ni omo
exactly yaw
chibom ni ade
yaw yesika enyunugu but say yamfa ye ni ankonwa we cannot do it and these are the things na naju hey o ma me the proposal about say GRA mo ma me enjijiska na me fa boys better ana 20 yaw so we ni antokwa na yeko e yaw said yes say also tua tax and is out on kebab anajo na say me ba say ma me tax 2 cities a otua what it means, Jesus can you must make sure say nipa the security e hu be here. Now no, o te kwen ho otonki baba na jolo obi aye bibi. No way. Wow, say yan transfer so die pa, we cannot do it. Unto men found say en show them reform when traffic. En ka say en anajo say ni transport system. When we saw be call adwuma na jo 8 p.m. Police for mo adwuma na jo. Patrol.
That means you have to improve on patrol system.
Exactly. You can doable. That police for some mugu. Soldier from Mugubaras baby, I don't know. Security services, they are available.
To protect the citizenry from
now we're just on also called more of what I say, and I do 8 o'clock. Yeah, 3 o'clock are late. Late. Not transport system, I allow and reach in TV3. You're sitting here gradually, it's gradually to a whole transport system. Now, your mama di buy a lulu. Then is to help the economy. But you see, I know, MPP for buy. Then buses this you, and you do. Yeah, and a doable. The woman you be or be shed gun and penny for, and an amcha when you move with me in our car, some say, oh no, 1 year day. Or only so. No, what does it take to instruct? What does it take to instruct? Say, henceforth, minister, oh, baby, oh, yeah, you minister, no, when him say, Massa, while be your electricity, while be your electricity, while be told forward. Na say MPs na dodo na so eto dada anamegwa MPs dodo na to mufu dada no so mo di MP say etwa mo ka because what enti anya dia e very difficult o ba mu no onim say ni say na eko grand rules no ni group allowance 11 and Omanhene stars to 11.
Groupa 11.
Groupa 11. And Omanhene stars 11. Obi enim say ye bobola, ye shower, ye see offside room, we will body pa me, bobola me body pa. Unim rules of the game, and I will cook. And to go to minister no, unim say we upa beje, upa menje. Send the obi ancho, anamebo. Those who are ready, let them go in and work for Mother Ghana. Omano, wow, where are you this because you see can you be free. Any expenditure, say private jet are renting na dia dey na. Who pay anywhere? We are third world country.
Developing country. Omano afena is still like yes FFA. Instead no my FFA. It was you must live in luxury. I say a from example Arabia Kings. As a Middle East for na manyanya music while born na there. Omomuda private jets cost to be the one. Now so developing country we seek crown. Second trade Ukraine by $600 million. Second one. They could not meet it.
You live the same lifestyle. It is not possible. As I tell you, as they also would do ebo be Ibrahim Mamuato private jet. Journey lifestyle no super so it can never be possible. And in practical terms, no sanity. And they said to my money no I told you fuel. Where we minister no what should better fuel. One casa no who the usage of the fuel. To fuel a VAT. They say how fill VAT where is almost by 2,000.
Over pack here the small car.
Exactly. And the purpose of our cars now the community thing it is because of cross country who do. But when who feel now we use salon car and to come ministry wa be war salon and no more V8 no who free cry driver ko bolga
oh is
who driver ko wa cross country who ko ye adwuma acceptable they say requires an adu boss dana we two boss V8 e dey achieve room say dey akopɛ gas na dey chobada se fuel so ya to ka fuel la wo be hu ade o de beyo you feel the pinch. That is the essence of it. So one can also feel the pinch. Say the ordinary person.
So the purpose is to cut down government unnecessary expenditure.
Yeah, we are saying, but all within 4 years, it is huge money. I bet you are transforming some aspect of the economy. Without necessarily say, "Beko jibu shaba besi toilet." Just kada eboa na into bohu ma community. Into bohu. But to bohu. A basic 6-unit toilet, sitter toilet, among communities. They say we are guarding against unnecessary expenditure. This cannot be a lip service. Yeah, it can never be a lip service. No more we do more than Mahabo Nico to come. I'm on your human.
I'm a call night.
Now, I'm ready to tell I will say, my bread, my nyaka, and excuse. They work in the night
till morning.
What we took a piano in Sanajo, play Lande. 2 o'clock, a biba home match. Let me guess what I said. For long distance from Australia, but we do one match. We walk on the woofy. What a man chebo, I do want to cross over that. Play no by our sorry. Until it will cut across. We create 9 jobs, possible, among for Bayer. Temaport here, your mama expanding. Among for need more. People are working there. And I do running 24-hour day shift. But we want to expand it.
To civil service to everywhere.
Exactly. So if the need says civil service grandpa maybe I will want who be here so be 24/7 obey. I must admit say enye economy and now wait me I am 24. We also a teacher near to me anajo. No. But
nurse for anajo. Doctors ko anajo. And I was listening to the CEO of University of Ghana, a chief executive, Dr. Darras was saying. Yeah.
Was he anajo awada so no mo ko TV for 10 years. Was he anajo awada kana my friend? Because someone himself so or no doctor or say no omo friend anajo 10 bi anajo the sumukra or ba be ejuma. And the nurses didn't have problem at all. And what it means is that we will look at other avenues and add more. The area can you the back count. Now we won't share the two for the kai. I'm say, hey, they say do my
get ready for jobs.
I still said they've given up on MPP already.
But as some of mankind there, it was quite political. Young men get ready for jobs. It was like he was introducing John Mama as the next president.
Exactly.
Why should he do that?
Exactly. We are looking at problem solving. We are solving problems. And yet, Kasa, and I may we are 170 questions. We are a bisawa, we see, and I was not in charge of them. You cannot run away from it. You must fulfill and redeem your promises. Yeah, they are Kenyan now. Because they don't say it's a me. And before, or my comedy, so be it. But only I'm cranking out TV. Or more muti, no more matter economy with 2016, 2015, any and every 2020 nanado, and by in. Obianim. And you wouldn't want to me, you cannot change any Obia.
Mammy T. Esso, Constituency Secretary in Shaeso, accountant by profession. Mammy T. on the pay.
My Machia or none of
Mejoso.
Machia a Tifonia reform so I jab 80 and pay. Now I'm in commission so constituency na mefa asida ema omunyina na mencho man pay. Say alano out of 275 constituencies na ye call 2 above 4 say about ye kwa kuyi ye franka tuni no. Ye so ye hode no ye nyina ye kabo mu ase ye funu ba komuma edi dwuma no ema na ye kama obi ye aho anwunsu anwunkra nti mefa wo fidi kase so ada obi biara ase saa so na meda all the other constituencies say even when you look at the sheer scale of the media equity ya antise obi si o me more anami trimi kra no ho aka nti meda obi biara ase.
Okay.
I wish to say enka ye betra hey the focus would have been there to me aye. But when it gets to a point it becomes unnecessary and a comparison. Say Muhammad on to say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, then we are all invited to also come in to also expose Momo there. What would I wish say kaka 1 year you ko there mubinya mre atnase na nka mo so called policies na mo say mo de eba no motumi akeka kire Ghana for. But as usual NDC phone to me metal radio so a omonka omampani ho asema na so asem and if say obekaya efi be mfie num fie siani eye Adea NDC for eye no de biara entidi e oye enye no. But when you say vice president on Kano Kre, no, you see, Mami Kazam Tro. Yan metra hano say NPP abai. Ye to me asolve problems in you see, even in Nipakrano, per our very action. There be a bomb pie sako nyankopon. We know say nyankopon to mean solve your problems in your mind. So me nim say sebi otiaseni bi ebetumi akokase wo ka se obesolve problems na wan solve nti you are a failure. Then not invariably we are saying say as a nyankopon so a failure. Will you agree with me? No, nyankopon is not a failure. So you can say a baby.
Well, a quick one. This is coming from Kennedy to Francis.
Okay.
As a Korean Mampon. It's Omanhene. Tell Francis that we have been collecting those taxes in the evening already. In my municipal, the zonal councils are in charge. So we are already collecting the money.
Even as I'm
it's possible, maybe
when you go to the district assembly, sub-metros, zonal councils, sometimes most private people partner with the assemblies to do these night taxes. Even as I'm sitting here, I have 3 proposals. I'm there, some district assemblies. Say I can help them
with the night taxes. It already is in there. Oh, okay.
What you say? You see, that is where the policy deficiency, as far as NDC is concerned, comes in, because in the sense that, say by now, or say. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Kansama Onion. You see, I will admit, say we've not been able to solve our problems, right? But you can't see a Ghana card in large scale. We've done it.
Yeah.
Ghana card, yeah. Good.
My
1 constituency, 1 ambulance, yeah. one district, one factory. Ubibeka say, oh, the scale and almost output, mean but something was on the ground. And last week there was an inauguration of West African Sa Ndrunria. Say Yareba, one of the biggest one has been established in Greater Accra. It's part of one district, one factory.
It was an agenda.
And I am seeing that by the next 10 to 15 years, people will begin to see the real effect of one district, one factory. Kasi free senior high. We promise we did it. Even to a point, even when you get some civil society organizations, it is a burden on Ghanaian pairs. But yes, we are doing it, right? It get to a point, Omanhene Yaw, or Sika on free SHS. But that is the your policy digression. Nobody can take it away from you. But to Omukwa, they run in circles, then they come and claim ownership of free SHS. But at the end of the day, Obiya Nimao free SHS were given birth, right? So no problem. He was talking, you see, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, he's not a career politician. Onye Obiya now just the politics wanna be the politics wanna medao. He's a technocrat and he's into academia and part of politics. But that's your flag bearer. He is a career politician. When he leaves politics, there's nothing there for him. I tell you. So Omanhene the free mama free politician man, they bad anyway. Say I almost 3 years maybe Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ko Zimbabwe that is a technocratic aspect of it. And it is not good for do and die aspect Chinchina president. No. If you have somebody who will not do what he says, then a former president John Dramani Mahama. Why and a bit to me, I be politician Ben Abidjan say, oh, political platform, the Ujina so Uchan Trokakra. No, I cannot crack a no one penny that mama. In the normal walk and throw kakrane, no crack a crana walk kayana, oye. If not for anything, so warrior namno, ama namno akadum pene bia kanisimo, opesubeina. What at all the new thing Omanhene Yaw Mahama or Deba? Talking about, I don't have a problem. You see, by my background, we consult for businesses, we consult for institutions. We do that. When we get to a point a bit more expanded in economy now, these are some of the things that will come. But you see, so will be better no box so we say the children one way I'll be ye and co in be trouble ye. But at the end of the day, almost any panel will beat you. He was talking about transportation. When NDC was leaving power in 2001, Vanef STC was virtually collapsed. It took Omanhene Yaw to resuscitate it. Oba yekoyenim and yekofa Metro Mass the Bekai. Metro Mass was running perfectly and effectively until the introduction of NDC into our Ghanaian politics again in 2009. Look at Sabas is beyond Kotoba, Ashok, Leland, and Namana Sino. Omugu ya oka some causes a bit go see kwa de hobebia no motoafa. Obekaya. Omugu ye no ena omunimani wunti omukofa ya lolo say e de alolo. You see, when you actually want to build Ghana, right, you don't destroy what is existent. Now you are kwa binu asamba beseno. Ayalolo na okano. It started in Accra. What the effect of Ayalolo? It me a day. It was waste of money, waste of public resources, because we could have deepened the existent one. Because by the time NPP exited in 2009, now Metro Mass was fully grounded. It became one particular transport means of transporter. Now Ghanaians were eager to patronize. But after you came to power, what did you do with it? Right? This same person, you see, we are analyzing what he said. When Ghana Mabunu, Eko Switchler and say, Omanhene Yaw, Ye Jumanye, BBI Basabuaye. He told Ghanaians, you say, me, I'm not a magician to provide the jobs. What has changed? Oh my, Adea Akye Abia. Now, only interested in Sasam no Kokakano, no one need to use it for ya de gina ho and na okoka so anya magician no same truck akra no crack akra ya dan ye ho oh Ghana for and China mu re frasem enti ababe 7 years later mamemra na meka so I am the messiah me de adwuma ebremo papa former president Bahama cannot be trusted. When you say sir you are coming to do 24-hour economy like I say economy keeps on expanding, but over my we say Muhammad, somebody who has been consultant for businesses into academia, I know that private sector constitute about 90% of our businesses in this country. And I'm a good. And those institutions, we call them essential services. They are already doing the 24-hour service. The police, the military, the health service, and port. We do it. It is already there. So it is like, baby, provided the most jobs in the private sector. It's not the public sector. For now. And I mean,
but the government can provide security for private sectors.
Me say the essential services, they are already doing.
Yeah, I agree.
They are working.
So I'm making the enabling environment.
So the elephant in the room, you see, the government must ensure consistently you provide the enabling environment for private sector to thrive, to create the employment. And when they feel that we have to do 24-hour work, they will do. All things good, all things being equal. Meaning, say, once you will have to upscale your human resource, it means as there's a deficit somewhere. There's a deficit in production. Okay, so imagine, say, Ghana cylinder manufacturing. Say Abandia, they should do 24-hour production. Okay. Do we have a shortfall in cylinders in Ghana? Is that the truth? So all these analysis must be done. Now the reason why, because you cannot produce for production's sake. You have to produce for people to consume.
And for export.
For export. So as with the, have you developed the market for that product? Have you developed new product for even new markets? Have you developed new product for existing market? Or are you developing a new product for a new market? Do you see, we don't say it by saying sake. You see, sadly, obiabe to me aka. But we will have to subject whatever you are saying by critical scrutiny. That is where you found wanting. In the sense that I'm saying, say, continuously, it should be the responsibility of the central government to provide the enabling environment, create the enabling environment, and allow private people to identify their own opportunities and work through.
Hold on for me quickly. I mean, the conferences. Herbasol capsules, premature ejaculation. Say male vitality, a dropper, and herbasol capsules, and then a cream. Unya bia bema be sita improves stamina afi ekoba ma mixture so ebo modena ema malaria no efri ho no waye mre wo honama ebo ho tidwa wo nyina be free ho alaba zongo hine afichire ho no ma obenya bi sanso na abo baba compound efie enkan new fadama ena madina so zongo junction no so benim 0244 634 024 0244 634 024 and 0548 666 600 0548 666 600. Canada digital satellite from 70 inches to 75 inches satellite. Air cap. Tau TV papa dia. Kennedy. Your tabletop fridges for single, double door, chest freezer, deep freezer. Air conditioners, your powerful home theaters, fufu pounding machines, domestic and commercial, your sewing machines, industrial, your popcorn machines, laptops, and your microwave oven, iron, kettle, blender. Just about home appliances, dear Betty, Kennedy digital satellite. We are a buyer Juma near our controller accountant general. I'll be to me, I'll be Toby, near to Tonka Cranka, and cry wager old barrier, Kokrobite Junction, traffic lights, Nasi, a doom first floor Family Plaza building Ben Boss FM and our Dome House also Patasi first floor 0244 385128 0244 385128. Canberra International so Jim of from Christ to KG2. Oko share baby and Kwale Eda and Kwale story Omud Asian dear special playing ground. Toys papa bi get the TVs are hold LEDs trauma there was sick back I don't do no be no any CCTV cameras etwa ho hia bomodena kokronom kwapra wisdom on chair hon ma kwapra ahimfie 0240693720 0240693720 dimpa also fie unya de also do on ma obija ho no akọ Dr. Sibra no hwew oyam etumi tutu obo ano etwetwem wani su brew da wona honam ye obo ho didi anyam ye bensin ko a also no na aka ho no Fred Doctor 0245 118434 0245 118434 and 0246 744 0246 744 744. The time so mensia kwan so hon ma second floor Willas Towers can mensia health insurance wa Dimpa Natural Health Clinic Dimpa Natural Health Clinic and no I bomodena say overweight chicken papa and one BBC Boris B chicken your full chicken thigh wings breast your gizzard and your layers Bantama High Street any praise be dandy hwanimu Asomase market to benya bi Santas runabout BBC yani Unity Oil Poku Trading adum ebi wo ho LG Mall Top High Shell Body Junction Mesro we chicken anu so de kama say both layers broilers and layers so say wo ho o ya kremoni a we be san say man kremofo and a slaughter kokko no nyinara bomodin friends 05 444 53 05 344 okay simbia no shanon so say eno a na ye yuso St Andrews SHS and you will be wasin for su ye wo enkan new adubiase dunko no fe man kesim shama na safia sanreso kola na wa ABC no man register the best private SHS amet ma come for am course bia ye wo hono science home econs general arts visual ni nyina bi ye wo ho free 0244 696911 0244 696911 na bibia akoso kama. It's legacy night. Abranti amachi dede ebedane ho adi wo Mecklin Hotel Nyagro 29 December. One in a night champon ba, family so ba, amrado so ba, and Nyagro kra. Yeni iron boy twiso on the 29th. What's the day? DK event and the tumedie ba. Montana so dofono ema no mon kan kire mema no wa amoni amra obeja wa kwa obu ho ana ode oboa gina ne konso ne nko ne kotwisu bi kama afia no ahia ye na dan ho abrante amachi dede na na champion family na amrado na adwumadie no enya agrokra obetima atọ ticket online na bibia akoso kama edi amaw amrado de kokwa na nseba family so de nyuma hodo ni nyina na bibia dadi auto ticket etiawa star 710 star mo fan to jama me quickly na yenko star 714 star 80 hash star 714 star 80 hash obetima to ticket online star 714 star 80 hash okay my member won chain Francis me wo 7 minutes 8 minutes do be 4 minutes
Sompa de 8
keep it time 9:22
asanyo na be keep time wa minti o
yeah Sompa de 8 first of all is I can see that you NDC and NPP I can see. And he said, "Uraba umya beshe Ghana for Bonawanti be niso." Na ya kan ye de, na ya boni di kan. Se ne kwa so. Mintimi ko bo Joe Biden di America.
Ba o me di na obebo.
Mintimi ko bo Zelensky di o Ukraine enfa kasa. Nti yomu oboba o me di ana obuko kwa pai no. And yomu yo mo so mpa no muti afi na ebe.
Afi na mbebo nsem so.
Yeah, a boy said will be a shabo. But fat Ghana for some way and qua. So we made a mamma can we. But even Dimmy Boshes or crass, yes, Christ to crown. And to me and in the pain in a Boshes. And Tino and the mamma cabin to Debbie. What can some Ghana for? as a matter of fact Ghana mpanyinfo pa wo krom ha ade say o ka se wan na hwede obetimi aye enye se de pa beto aba ma wo nti utam sam na udi gu omuanim muka ya kwaka se mo be train sky train na wo krom ha ya I don't know wana kai enye wa ye ba omi ana kai ba ko bi kra de ba ko se train bi nam so na bi nam so ase boy bi MPP communicators yi bi ogota ana want this video gota anti samo shebo na mo kana ebeduru na ye se mo yi mu ano a obeka se e na de mama why then opo wumpo raba wumia e bo sha obehye Ghana for no one sam na ye ka one na wo ka se we head of economic management yo meboa na economy anwen nsi na ye ka wo si buo ye maye boni de se de enti anga ko bo hon di bema enti de ye betimi no e na ye ayalolo buses it is not true say STC Vanef STC ban we e na be ye ni it is not true okay papa ko shiduama Miama Donko he was in charge of STC what branded ye and the jan na so and the jan nyina mamu na na komia and wa ba wodi do se mebo aya ka che me unin cry enti ya kaya lulu asamu a you want to rubbish it we are piloting it in Accra you start free Accra if you are ya ba Kumasi because Accra and so Kumasi and second capital enti associate wa Accra say aba Kumasi for fear to water and a free so now you are describing a lulu say nye bus papa ye di metro mas anywhere 7 years mobile metro mas ya we anywhere and why are you blaming everything on NDC unti mu nya mausu kechirenye why you blaming everything on NDC 7 years in mobile no se metro mas e ho ntokwa esi wo kroma Dr. Makutu Fonya mefa ne kransi o kai se confusion kra esi ye omo amu party no we Ashanti region ha abrante bi ko na yi na yi we mo edis esimu si eye mo ana mu 7 years ni eye mo aya and this 7 years wa wakora 7 years is be on study school
class 1
class 1
class 1
bibi I want to blame everything on NDC won't me unya ma wonka de mbako yi no so be di monim so no on the captain or head economy no where Kenya economy no hu na ever nanado o first degree wo Lagos mebo so economics and so magara fo nyina ti asese economy no Dr. Bawumia na beti salvage economy no sabe bo aka cheme
yes please
so why like this say boni di cancer one mo na mo kokwa pa obi na asoma no so a career politician he is a career politician how to speak now obi yes obi politics so ana meboa na jo mama ye wonu free mama ye mu no obi politics he started working with NGOs the companies. But at the point in time, he started doing politics. And it's the same with Dr. Bawumia. Until how did you go back to say, we're a technocrat? I did a technocrat. What will you need to do when you must flag better? They say, I saw a pension, says, yeah, I buy a car. 1 year's gracia. So what are you talking?
Okay.
What are you talking?
My brother, come in. Now, for me, pejai mo.
Catch you to be said.
Come here, meet you, on a catcher. Yeah, meet you, come
meet you.
I'm not going to catch me.
Tie man to do visa. Better hano. So tie me I may say
until you
by 2001 or move free power no. Sa company sa Vanef STC no mo kofa de beta hono. No ma say omagu. Ana won
okay, so you're talking about 2001 not 2008.
Omampani kofo baaye.
And obe pejai mu.
O pejai mu wie no kofa metro mass beka ho. Enti obi a wo se wo tip democracy as politics.
So as at 2016 NDC was hesitant.
Metro
Mass ne STC net to say
virtually collapsed. Virtually collapsed. Because you see
but today Metro Mass is almost gone.
If we are talking about policy consistency, I would have expected say the obeto ye na ground in here.
But say today Metro Mass is almost collapsed. Just like
as I see the be to me. My fire lolo from Achimota. From me farm 7 and I'm there by Achimota. Who said now your card we oh yeah omo just on the chest. O swap. To be me muna me swap here. Me see from say man swap on the back. And I lolo so call Accra Central. nti as if sabiti obi amakwa to me card be 200 Ghana cedis ade chi me kwa finance kana sa
Let go.
after customer na bi ade na me kwa adwuma na mi refi my ele
Why I send a wow so.
sikari nyina asa this that I patronize it I know between 2012 and 20
But then why would you call it waste of
you
resources?
see the point is that the policy back and the policy idea no was inconsistent.
Policy.
How?
Because the point is that it is it was another leg of the metro mass system, right? So its implementation, stand alone without looking at the challenges I are facing with metro mass. Now they no ebehwe se obeyama na ye no then you imported the same challenges e metro mass no
Na metro mass na
even baby kura no mo pede apake kura na ebini ho
Wana ka kire.
Omika sem tro
Anya chi mota no
Time na.
me betra I admitted
Ogo wango
some promises ye no but eye me de eye ma honho aho ase ye ka se Ghana card ye be yaye one constituency one ambulance won't be free MPP for some eba free senior high won't be free and some eba one district one factory won't be free and some say eba say yaye ayi my say eba say yaye ahensan kwan to ayi jachi a won't be free and some and ameboa. So the point is that I will admit